Welcome back to my channel, Cat Eye Glamour, our little hangout where we can be the most glamorous versions of ourselves. And as you probably already know, before we move on this video, I need you to subscribe, please, because I need you to need me, because I need you. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and subscribe, whatever. As you can see, my face is already done because, as you can tell by the title, this video is all about nudes and pink lip combos. And of course, anyone can wear these colors, but they are going to be melanin friendly, brown girl friendly, cause hello, we taking over the world, just saying. So I'm going to go ahead and start with a gloss, lip liner and gloss combo. And the lip gloss that we're going to go for is one which is a classic by MAC. It's called Angel. It's a nudie pink. You see that here. It's called Angel. It's a nudie pink. It is pretty pale, but the lip liner is going to make it work. Okay. The lip liner we're going to use is by Rimmel London. It's a drugstore lip liner, so it's available everywhere. Walgreens, CVS, Target. The name of it is called Coffee Bean. And Coffee Bean is a dupe, an affordable dupe for Chestnut by MAC, which is about $18, and this is $4. So hello, we saving you coins too. So we're going to get into that combo and see how that looks. I have my little mirror here so I can actually see. So we're going to first go in with the lip liner, the Coffee Bean. So you can see it's a reddish brown. We're just going to go in and line the lips. All right, and now we're going to grab the lip gloss and mix it with that. Let me put a little line here. With these lines, it helps your lips look a little fuller when you draw them. Not that I actually need it, but maybe you want it. Maybe you need it. Maybe you want to look fuller. So we're showing you tricks. All right, so we're going to grab the lip gloss and we're going to combine that with the lip liner and see how it looks. So I wiped Angel off. So now let's get into the next one, which is going to be a lip gloss that is by NYX Cosmetics, or NYX, however you say it. I always say NYX. That's called PRALINE. So if it's going to focus, I don't know. It's called PRALINE, and it's a butter gloss. Listen, NYX butter glosses, please don't sleep on these. If you ever see them in the store, grab it. Okay, because it's affordable and they're so pretty and they're so soft and not sticky. MAC's lip glosses are very sticky. Although they are pretty, they're sticky as fuck. Okay, now this is PRALINE, which is like a rosy pinky nude. This, let's get into it. Okay, so the lip liner I'm going to use for PRALINE is going to be a Jordana lip liner, and Jordana's lip liners are my favorite because they're retractable. Who is really out here sharpening pencils in 2020? Anyways, the color is called Coco, Loco, and we're going to go ahead and start the combination. So we're going to go ahead and start lining our beautiful lips. Okay, so next gloss up in line is another butter gloss by NYX, and it is called Apple Strudel. Don't it sound pretty? Apple Strudel. So let's go ahead and give you a little swatch of Apple Strudel. It's very similar to Angel, but not as opaque. This is a little bit more sheer, and of course it feels a lot better on my lip. And I'm going to use Coco Loco again to go ahead and line my lip. So let's get into that. Oof. The next gloss I have is by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it is called Saint Tropez. Love this. Love this. Okay, I'm going to swatch it on my hand before I put it on my lips so you can see it. It's like a rose goldy type of color. Here we go. Let's get into it. Okay, so the next combination is going to be a lip liner, a lipstick, and a gloss over top of that. So we're going to go ahead and get into those combinations. So the lip liner, I'm sticking with Coco Loco by Jordana. And the lipstick is a matte lipstick with, and it's a cream sheen, and it's called Creme de Nude, which is a perfect name. Creme de Nude. It's a pretty pale nude. But of course, we're going to combine it with a lip gloss over top of it. And it is also by MAC, and it's called NYMPHETTE. That's how it's spelled. Hopefully you focus, child, focus. Okay, so it's called NYMPHETTE. And we're going to go ahead and get into that combination. I'll go ahead and apply the lip liner, and then I'll come back with the lipstick and lip gloss, since you already saw the lip liner. Okay, guys, we still got them going. The next nude, and this is a classic staple nude that I feel like every brown girl should have. It is by MAC, and it is called Velvet Teddy. Velvet Teddy. Okay, this is a classic. It is a matte shade. I'm going to pair it with the Rimmel London in Coffee Bean. And I'll be right back so you can see how that looks. Okay? Okay. And Velvet Teddy is by MAC Cosmetics. Okay? It's a matte lipstick by MAC Cosmetics. Okay? All right, y'all. So the next combination is two matte liquid lipsticks. One is by LIMECRIME, and this is called SALEM, which is a reddish brown. And this one is by Rimmel London, their Stay Matte collection. And the color of this one is called Scandalous. Some of y'all should be wearing this on a daily basis. I'm just saying. Anyway, let's get into the little combo. Okay, so now that you see the two matte lipsticks combined together and it's dried down, I'm going to add a gloss to it so you can see how that option looks. And this is another staple. It's by MAC. I love MAC. But it's by MAC. It's called Oh Baby. It's a staple nude gloss that is super brown girl friendly. And if your skin is brown, you should have this. Why don't you? Hello. Come on now. Get your life together. So I actually have one more lippy and it's a gloss. I forgot to include it in the gloss segment. It's by Laura Geller. It's a luster lip gloss. So this is called Diamond Dust. And it's kind of like a clear gloss that has like pink and purple reflexes. So it's a really good topper, like something you can wear over your lipstick or you can use it alone. This is what it looks like. Just kind of just looks clear with a little bit of reflexes in it. So I'll show you how it looks clear, and I'm going to put a nude lipstick on just to put it over top of it so you can see how it looks. Okay guys, this is the end of the video because...
What's the end of the video, Mom?
This is the end of the video.
Us?
We are the end of the video. Thanks so much for watching. I had a lot of fun doing this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it too. Try some of the looks. Like this video, comment if you have any questions or if you just want to leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe.
Wait.
Bye. Say
Wait,
bye.
who?
Say bye.
Bye.
I got to put the kid to sleep. Bye.
No.